Hello student, today we are going third lectures on atomic physics, chapter number 3, Zeeman effect and Paschen-Beck effect, isn't it? So the question is on this chapter, on this point, explain the Paschen-Beck effect for single valence electron system, or what is meant by Paschen-Beck effect, explain it. Show this figure. In this figure, H capital H, and the second is a L star, S star, and ML. They are the moving in a position, momentum in a position, isn't it? And there is a eta. So what happening there? LS coupling in the form of um, Paschen-Beck effect. So we can see here in this field is so strong. He field kind strong, that is L star and S star processing independently, processing process independently around the field directions, and field direction is denoted by H, isn't it? So in the driving interaction energy between atom containing single valence electron and external magnetic field, okay, containing single valence electrons and external magnetic field, it was assumed that field was weak as compared to internal field. Okay, field as compared to internal field. बरोबर ना? It was assumed that the field was weak. Field was weak as compared to internal field due to spin and orbital motions of electron. When external field becomes greater than internal field, the internal motions are greatly distributed, greatly distributed, and the atom give rise to the atom gives rise to so-called pressure Paschen-Beck effect. Okay, बघा परत सांगतो इथं. In this field, इथनं आपण घेऊ आपण कुठनं, when the external field becomes greater than the internal field, okay, the internal motions are greatly distributed and the atom give rise to so-called Paschen-Beck effect. आता बघा, when the field H is introduced until two procession processions like procession कोणते two L star and S star are of same magnitude, they are the same magnitude, then it is mean Zeeman level of doublets overlap, and there will be no over overing over gaining over gaining to the zero under the conditions coupled between L star and S star. Okay, काय म्हणायचं, ओव्हर gain gaining over gaining to the to be zero under the under the conditions coupling between L star and S star become completed, and J star will not be fixed in magnitude as field H is still introduced. L star and S star soon become uh, quantized quantized uh, separately and processed independently on H. Okay, this is a Partition back effect. कळालं तुम्हाला? So, to the quantum conditions in a strong Partition back basic effect are are projections of L star on the take value from ML is plus L and minus L. This is a figure here. MS half. So half is a minus plus half. Half. S is a half. Then S star H. So here ML is equal to 1 and there is a minus 1. That time L is equal to the lower side 1. L star and H. So when 0 upper side is the positive and negative side is a negative, then minus 0 center, minus 1, minus 2, y-axis in a negative and y-axis in a positive, that time L star and H. So projections of S star on H, take value ms is equal to plus or minus half. Third, for electron with L is equal to L and L is equal to 1 and S is equal to plus or minus half. So there are 6 possible states. ML is equal to 0, 0 minus 1 like this. When MS is equal to plus or minus 1 half. Okay, yes. And L is equal to 0 and 1. Okay, and MS is equal to plus or minus half. Space quantum डायग्राम इज शोन इन फिगर. हा कोणता डायग्राम आहे? स्पेस क्वांटम डायग्राम आहे, हा दाखवलेला आहे. आता नंतर काय आहे, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे टोटल एनर्जी इन पाशन बॅक इफेक्ट. काय टोटल एनर्जी इन पाशन बॅक इफेक्ट. ओके, इट consists of three types of energies. They are follows: energy due to precessions of L star around H. Second is energy due to precession of S star around H. And third is the interaction energy between L star and S star. Okay. According to Loomer's theorem काय आहे? Omega L star is equal to H E upon 2 MC. This equation number 2. Second, omega S star is equal to 2H E upon 2 MC. This equation number 2. Since a ratio between the magnetic and mechanical moment for spin of the electron is twice, twice the orbital ratio projecting each L star and A star on it, we get आपल्याला काय मिळेल? डेल्टा ओमेगा एल एल इज इक्वल टू डेल्टा ओमेगा एल इंटू एच इज इक्वल टू मग काय एच डिवायडेड बाय 2 MC into L star H upon 2 pi cos L star in a bracket cos L star into H bracket close. So, but but ml is equal to L star cos in a bracket L star into H म्हणजे हे बघा हा L. ओके, cos L star H म्हणजे आता बाजूला काय राहिलं H आपण 2 पाय आणि H डिवायडेड बाय 2 MC. मग इकडे घेतला आपण डेल्टा ओमेगा एल इंटू एच हा जसं तसं इज इक्वल टू हे एच ए अपॉन 2 MC इंटू एम एल म्हणजेच काय एल स्टार कॉस इन अ ब्रॅकेट एल स्टार इंटू एच आणि मग काय राहिलं ते h upon 2 pi. This equation number 3. And now this equation आता यातला multiplication केलं आपण h as it is e into h divided by 2 to 4 pi mc into ml. Okay, this equation become 4. Then second, डेल्टा ओमेगा एस म्हणजे स्पिन मध्ये आता एच 2H E upon 2MC into S star H upon 2 pi cos of in a bracket S star plus into H. So परत तसंच काय, but एस स्टार कॉस एस स्टार एच. ओके, म्हणजेच काय एम एस. पुट दिस व्हॅल्यू नॅबो इक्वेशन. मग आपल्याला काय मिळणार मग इकडं तिथं पुट केल्यानंतर हे इक्वेशन मिळेल. हे इक्वेशन मिळालं आपल्याला. ओके, डेल्टा ओमेगा एस इंटू एच, 2h या ई आणि एचचे मल्टिप्लिकेशन 2 to 4 पाय एम सी, आणि एम एस म्हणजेच काय एस स्टार कॉस एस स्टार इंटू एच ब्रॅकेट क्लोज. दिस इक्वेशन बिकम 5. ॲडिंग इक्वेशन 4 and 5, इक्वेशन ॲड केलं मग काय मिळणार आपल्याला, डेल्टा ओमेगा एच इज इक्वल टू डेल्टा ओमेगा एल एच प्लस डेल्टा ओमेगा एच. बरोबर, हे मिळाले. कारण का आपण ई एच आपण 4 पाय MC काय केला कॉमन घेतला, त्याच्यामुळं काय मिळालं डेल्टा डेल्टा ओमेगा एच इज इक्वल टू म्हणजेच काय मिळालं तुम्हाला, डेल्टा ओमेगा एल म्हणजेच काय एम एल एच, म्हणजे डेल्टा ओमेगा एल इंटू एच म्हणजेच काय एम एल प्लस 2 ॲज इट इज. ओके, नंतर डेल्टा ओमेगा एस एच म्हणजेच काय 2 MS, आणि एच हा काय केला एच हा इकडे कॉमन काढला म्हणजेच काय डेल्टा ओमेगा एल म्हणजेच काय एम एल, आणि डेल्टा ओमेगा एस म्हणजे काय 2 MS. एच कॉमन काढला इंटू याच्यातला ई एच अपॉन 4 पाय ह्या सुद्धा कॉमन काढलेला आहे, म्हणून तुम्हाला मिळालं मायनस डेल्टा टी एच इज इक्वल टू इन अ ब्रॅकेट एम एल प्लस 2 MS ब्रॅकेट क्लोज, अँड बाकी फॅक्टर जसं तसं, फक्त युनिट लागलं सेंटीमीटर रेस टू -1. आता डेल्टा मायनस डेल्टा टी एच म्हणजेच काय आहे, म्हणजेच मायनस डेल्टा टी एच म्हणजेच काय डेल्टा ओमेगा एच अपॉन एच सी. ओके, so but Tronti's unit of the He upon 4 pi mc square is equal to L, and now put this value in above equation, delta Th ml plus 2 ms into L सेंटीमीटर रेस टू -1. बरोबर, याला काय केलं ते डेल्टा ई बघा, डेल्टा ई अपॉन डेल्टा एच अपॉन 4 पाय MC यालाच काय म्हटलेलं आहे एल म्हटलेलं आहे, म्हणून तिथं एल दिलं आहे. ओके, आणि इथं काय डेल्टा ओमेगा एच अपॉन एच सी म्हणजेच काय मायनस डेल्टा टी, तो इथं ठेवलेला आहे. ओके, आणि हा एच हा हे इज इक्वल टू दिस. नाव to this magnetic energy there must be small corrections due to the integrations between L star and S star. Although those two processes independently around H, each motion around magnetic field at uh, elect, elected, which is a distribute motions. Other we have the relations T is equal to delta minus delta TLS is equal to L star S star cos of inner bracket L star S star. This equation is a 9, and where A is equal to A इथे घेतला, आणि मग त्याला R alpha square Z to the power 4 divided by n to the power 3 L in bracket L plus half and in L plus 1 raised to centimeter inverse 1 raised to -1. Okay, this is our, आता एक अर्थ ते घ्यायचं नाही आहे, रॉंग. ओके, ह्या इथपर्यंत आपण लिहायचं, ॲम्प्लिट्यूड पर्यंत लिहायचं. ओके, हे नाही लिहायचं इथनं. बट cos L star S star is equal to cos L star H cos of S star into H. This equation number 10 taken by the cosine law. Put the equation 9 in T is equal to delta T LS. Okay, T is equal to L star cos of L star H bracket plus S star cos of S star H. This equation 11. This is nothing but projections of L star and S star on H, so that minus delta TL S is equal to AML MS is equal to J. Then equation number 12. So we get the adding the equation 8 and 12, total energy shift delta T centimeter raised to minus 1 is equal to ml plus 2ms into L plus A ml ms is equal to equation number 3. The generate generator formula for term value of any strong field is given by T into centimeter raised to minus 1 is equal to T0 origin mine is equal to into bracket TO minus inner bracket ml plus 2ms L minus A ml into ms, where TO term value of theoretical center of gravity of fine structure doublet. Okay, and now this is finish this point. So this we stop this lecture.